Hey, and right now it is. So right now I just got off the shower right now because I just took a shower, whatever. So it's 10:33. Rude. 10:33, and I'm hungry, and I just wanted to bring you with me to, you know, make my little snack because that's what, you know, content, you know, I need that. So for my little snacks I eat at midnight, it usually consists of 2 things, and I'm gonna eat the both 2 things right now because I'm hungry. So the first thing is some delicious raisin bread, of course. And oh, do you think we're gonna toast this? Well, you're right, we're gonna toast this. Oh, look at them. So now that I put the bread in them, why is it so quiet now? Like, it's scary. It's scary how quiet it is. You know what? Let me set you up over here. Let's see if that makes it any better. So now we're gonna get some mortadella. Is that actually fucking mortadella? Mortadella sounds a little bougie and better than mozzarella or whatever for it. Okay, don't judge me. This shit has been going. Maybe we can get the knife. Anyway, so we're just gonna. Oh, we don't need this. So we're just gonna struggle for 5 minutes straight and try to get this. I swear to God, every time you do things at nighttime, or when you're not supposed to, like, things sound like, bitch. Oh, look at this. Look. I'm gonna just leave it there for a few minutes. So now I'm gonna just cut this like into like small. Is that it? Is that like thin pieces? Thin pieces. Lord. Okay, this knife is fucking whack as fuck. I need a better knife. You know what? Let's do it. Oh shit. Okay, that's like one. That's 1 piece. That's 2 pieces. And that's 3 pieces. And total of 4 pieces. So this is a little life hack I learned because the shit usually gets dried up. So usually when you have like this back open, you can just like push it in and you press this on top. Like that. And you're welcome. We take our toasted raisin bread and we just put, you know, this and like this, and we just let it sit for a few minutes so the cheese, so the mortadella can get a little hot, we can say, and you know, it can just be a little more cheesy. Ew, I don't know what the fuck that was, but you're welcome. Okay, so now we're gonna go for our. Okay, we're gonna let that cool down, I guess. I'm gonna go for our second dessert for the night because 2 is better than 1. Let's be realistic here. Come on. The ingredients to be eating is some ice cream. I like the vanilla version of it. You can eat the chocolate if you want. It depends up to you. We're gonna be needing a spoon, and we're gonna be needing some Oreos. I don't know if you haven't done this before, or maybe you have, but I'm thinking I made it. Anyways, so we're just gonna need a little. Yeah, this cup is nasty. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm big. So now you need a little, like a clean cup, and get your ice cream. I swear to God, things are fucking loud. Oh, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold. It's cold. Okay, so we're just gonna, oh, this shit's cold. Oh. Good. Another life hack. If your ice cream is a little too cold to be working on you, just put it on the sink with a little bit of warm water and it's gonna melt back. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna let that happen. Meanwhile that happens, we're gonna, you know, if you made it with me, cheers. Let's eat our bread. Are we good? Yeah, we're good. Okay. So now that you melted your ice cream in the sink, we're broke bitches here because we don't have the real ice cream scooper. I think I do, but it's just too much work right now. But I'm gonna use a regular spoon and I'm gonna take out the ice cream. Oh, this ice cream is really trying to play hard to get with me. Like, a few minutes ago, it was ready to come out and ready to be in my tummy. But now that I'm recording, it's playing a little hard to get out here, but whatever. Ew, you're staying on. Okay, now that you have like a good enough. You see that? Hello. Whatever. Delicious. What's that? I make voices in my head. Okay, so we're gonna put it back in the refrigerator. This is my little life hack or like little snack that I learned. If you have basic ice cream, you know, this is a good snack anyways. Regardless, it's a good snack. But you want to take it to the next level. Found one. It's always looking for that Oreo, like I was nowhere to be found. Get the double stuff one because what's better to double stuff this shit. So you're just gonna stick it in there and you're gonna get your fork, my spoon, and I'm just gonna get all your anger out on it. And if you're Kylie, just think of Jordan. And if you're still in school, just think about your, you know, the teachers that failed you. Even though it was all your fault and not theirs, but you know, whatever helps cope with the pain, you know? And if you're like a chocolate person, which I'm not, as you can tell, I have vanilla ice cream, you can go with another Oreo in here and you can, and this is what you will get. Like, it looks exactly like those ice cream. Why is that shit not focusing? Like, why is this being so rude? So it looks like this, like, oh, it looks so good. Like, this is like, and stop recording on me. Thank you, camera. So fucking rude. Anyways, if you want to cool this, and if it's a little too watery, for me this is good. You can just put it back in the freezer, come back like 25 minutes, and that'll be it. So I hope you had fun with me making a little snacks at midnight. I hope you learned something. My battery's about to fucking die. Everything's about to die. I'm gonna go watch my TV show and I'll see you another time. Bye.